What's up, everybody? It's your favorite fat boy broadcasting to you from his mom's basement. Time to open up another lady, this time sent by our good friends at RosemaryDoll. If I'm not mistaken, this is a FanReal. There we go. And I've got to be careful because she is naked. It seems that she has been, well, I do see the head. The head is supposedly a newly made head. I have some RosemaryDoll bikini here, and then we have the gorgeous head over here. So this is the head right here. Blue eyes. This is a FanReal lady. Implanted hair. She has ROS, which I did not open fully. There's some specs and some things here and there. Very nicely detailed on the bottom as well. Nicely made. And then yeah, the hair is pretty cool too. So glad she came in here unscathed, so it seems. She looks really nice. And we're just going to check out everything else. So she has implanted hair in the downstairs area. Her legs seem to be fine. Her chest was fine, as I saw. So what we're going to do, we're going to take her out, put the bikini on and see how she looks. All right, so here goes, as you can see there. And then these are her feet. So let's go over to the feet area first. Seems to look okay. And they got bones in the toes. But as you can see, everything else seems to be good. The hands seem to be good. We've put on, well, we put a little bit of bikini. As you can see, there's hair that they implanted. I don't have that a lot with my ladies, but you know, it's cool that this one has been sent that way. Now, the keen-eyed viewers might notice a big difference. Her head is not the same color as her body. But this is how she turned out, and they said, well, we don't want you to not showcase this, so you might as well just showcase the body color difference towards the head color difference, and that these are of course two colors that you could use to customize your own lady. So for people who think that, well, yeah, why are you doing this? It's just a showcase. RosemaryDoll sent this lady to me because we wanted to demo this and also showcase FanReal because they are apparently a very cool company. I've always liked this head. I don't even know what it's called, but I've seen her so many times in pictures. I have too many ladies on the brain right now, but she's gorgeous. I would have liked her in completely white too. That would have been nice as well. And of course, I'll demo the ROS right now because we have the head on there. So it's actually when she's on the neck, very nice to do. And she looks very playful in my opinion. So yeah, it's not, where sometimes it looks a little bit weird or strange, but she actually has a very nice face and also a very nice facial expression. So that's really freaking cool. We put the bra, of course, on, and the bottom and the top. The bikini set for all my unboxings. Yeah, she looks pretty good after being cleaned a little bit. Thankfully, the legs or the feet are all intact and the bones in there as well, and the tippy toes. If you go under, you will see it a little bit more, but the lighting also helps. But yeah, this is a specific color. This is a specific color. You will be able to choose that on the website from RosemaryDoll or FanReal to choose how you want to have your lady. The chest is pretty jiggly. It's not as jiggly as, the top three that I have in my head, but they do look very good. The body is very nice. The styling is very nice. You can see in the camera a little bit of her abs going down here around the stomach area, which is pretty cool too. And yeah, there's not a lot to say other than she looks very realistic. The knees are very nicely done as well. We have our dimple here that if we massage, already should be a lot less. So it's on the camera, it's very visible. But in my eyesight here, it's actually almost gone. Look, if I press, see, it's very thin. So this is foam that is going to be in there, as far as I know. That means that she is a lot lighter, because if she didn't have that foam, that would have been full-blown silicone with a skeleton in there. Her calves look good too. And then her caboose. Caboose is not super soft, not as soft as the front, the chest. Yeah, and there's a couple of more dimples here and there, but as you can see, look, this is thick, this is soft. So this is the foam area. This should be silicone and or gel filled. But yeah, other than that, she looks pretty good. And the head is, of course, very gorgeous. We have a little bit of side boob here, which is pretty cool too. The other arm seems to be in good condition as well. There's still like little specks of crap here and there that I can take off. That is actually pretty cool. I just stopped recording. I used a wet cloth. But see, now the smudge is away and she looks very clean. Look at the light glistening on her skin texture. Of course, there's still these two little pinches there. We can get those away, but look at the skin texture. Pretty cool. Alright, so this has been another unboxing by yours truly. Thanks to RosemaryDoll and FanReal for, dropping this lady on me. Sure, there's some negative sides in the video, but there are a lot of positive sides too. Get your own FanReal doll from RosemaryDoll. Use my discount code, which is Rebel15. I had to check that because there are so many discount codes with my name in there. So Rebel15 for a 15% discount on, I think, everything in RosemaryDoll's store. So go check out RosemaryDoll and get yourself a FanReal, because I know even though there's some weird stuff going on with her, she's actually pretty cool. See you guys in the next video. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, have a great rest of your week. Stay tuned for more ladies and more drifting and other stuff. Peace.